Your Newton ships with one of 3 different ANT speed cadence sensor combinations. Your sensor package will also include zip ties, speed and cadence magnet, and printed instructions showing you how to attach your speed cadence sensor to your bicycle. This speed and cadence sensor has the speed probe here and the cadence probe here. For this sensor, the speed probe is located in the rectangular plastic, the cadence sensor in the torpedo-shaped probe, again connected by a wire. And for this sensor, the speed sensor is located in the rectangular-shaped box and the cadence sensor in the probe. If this is the speed cadence sensor you receive with your Newton, you'll position it so that the large cadence probe is near the rim of the rear wheel and the smaller speed probe is closer to the hub of the rear wheel. If you received either of these 2 speed cadence sensors, you'll position them on the bike so that the cadence probe is close to the rim of the rear wheel and the speed probe is closer to the hub of the rear wheel. Zip ties are used to attach the probes to the chainstay of the bicycle. Before tightening the zip ties, you're going to want to check for 2 things. First, that the magnet will pass close either to the speed probe or to the cadence probe. And second, that the probes are oriented so that the magnets will pass within 1 or 2 coin widths of the probe. After you have the probes and magnets positioned to your liking, tighten down the zip ties to lock the probes in their position. Make sure that the probes cannot move around on the chainstay. If they move out of position, the Newton won't work properly. Once you have the speed and cadence sensor installed, you can check its proper operation using your Newton. Turn your Newton on by pressing the center button. You'll see a message saying the speed and cadence sensor is found, and then a bullseye will appear in the center window indicating that the Newton is reading your speed and cadence sensor. If you don't see a bullseye, then perform the pairing process using the instructions. You'll want to position the Newton so that it's on the power screen. Click the center button so that you see 0, 0, and 0 calories in the bottom. Once you're there, spin the rear crank of the bike and you'll see the calories will switch over to RPM. This indicates that the cadence sensor is working. If it doesn't switch over to cadence and RPM, then you'll need to reposition the cadence magnet and probe so that they're closer to each other. To check for the proper operation of the speed sensor, lift the rear wheel of your bicycle slightly and then spin the rear wheel. After a few seconds, you'll see speed begin to appear in the top window of the Newton, indicating that your speed sensor is working. If you don't see a speed reading, then reposition both the probe and the speed magnet so that they are within a couple of coin widths of each other. Once you see both speed and cadence readings, your Newton is ready to ride.